Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This Brightline construction update looks at some work train activity on the Orlando line. Brightline's future Orlando line runs between Orlando International Airport and Cocoa, Florida, where it will connect into the existing Florida East Coast Railway mainline. Track is currently laid in the area between Innovation Way and State Road 417. We'll start at the end of the line just east of the 417. The second trainload of rail for the line was recently delivered and parked at the end of the line to be unloaded. The train has 50 pieces of rail that are 1,600 feet long apiece, which is enough to build 7.5 miles of track. The line from here to Orlando will be double tracked, so each track should be extended by about 3.25 miles, which should get them across State Road 417 to somewhere near Narcoossee Road. The rail is unloaded by being attached to a loader that pulls them off the train one by one. The rail is very flexible, despite what it may seem, and are sitting on rollers, which makes it easy to pull off the train. Next, we'll head over to near Innovation Way and the bridge over the Orlando Utilities Commission Stanton Rail Line. Most of the work in this area is complete, but is still an active site, being the base of operations for the work train. The rail train I showed earlier, along with trains of ballast, are interchanged to Brightline from CSX, operating on the OUC line. In the distance underneath the bridges at Innovation Way, the work train was actively dropping ballast. On the ground at the exit ramp, here are the crews dropping ballast on the tracks. As the train moves forward slowly, the ballast is dropped from the cars via doors on the bottom that are electrically controlled by crews walking alongside. The granite ballast being used along this line comes from a quarry in Georgia. Back in the air, and with the train empty, here it is backing toward the connection with the OUC line. The work train is being operated by contractors from R.J. Corman, who is also doing a majority of the track work. The locomotives on the train are two GP38s being leased from Gaddix. Besides my video of the first rail train being delivered and backing onto a short section of the main line in October 2021, I believe this is the first video of a train actually moving solely on the main line. The train is going to connect with another shortcut of loaded ballast cars. Since the line is designed for lightweight passenger trains that can run on steeper grades that are not optimal for freight trains, the train crew left some cars behind to ensure they can make it over the hill. They'll connect to these cars and head back down the line to unload them. It's amazing how much progress has been made here in the past year. This is what this area looked like in January 2021 when the right-of-way was still being cleared. And now here I am watching a train operate in the same spot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.